Ladies and gentlemen, let me introduce you to the Avanti Tiny House, a place so cleverly designed, it makes my neighbor Steve's backyard office shed look like a plywood coffin with Wi-Fi. This Aussie-made masterpiece by Kookaburra Tiny Homes proves once and for all that tiny living doesn't mean giving up your sanity, your comfort, or your ability to cook a full breakfast without elbowing your cat in the face. Before I dive into the juicy specs, hit that subscribe button and give this video a like. We've got more wheeled wonders and housing hijinks than Steve has overdue library books, and that's saying something. Now, back to the Avanti. This sleek tiny home stretches 23.6 feet, 7.2 meters long, and 8.2 feet, 2.5 meters wide, with 2 loft bedrooms, a multifunctional lounge, a full kitchen, and one of the smartest bathrooms/laundries I've ever seen in a tiny home. It starts at odd-day $99,000, roughly $63,200 USD, or 58,500 euros, which, let's be honest, is about what Steve paid for his third failed crypto investment. The lounge is a glassy sun trap with an oversized picture window, sliding doors, and even loft windows that let in enough natural light to grow tomatoes. The modular sofa seats 4, hides storage underneath, and flips into a guest bed. Perfect for surprise visits or a nap after over-caffeinated productivity sprints. Now, the kitchen. It's got a huge panoramic window, a sleek counter with breakfast bar potential, open shelving that doesn't clutter the view, and clever storage built into the staircase. The bathroom. I like the most how it fits everything. Shower, sink, real toilet, and even a laundry nook with shelves. You can wash your socks while brushing your teeth and yelling at the kids to stop swinging from the loft ladder. Now that's efficient living. And hey, if this tour made you laugh, learn, or even slightly reconsider that condo mortgage, become a sponsor of our channel for just $1. That's right, $1. The sponsorship link is in the description under the video. It might help us buy a tripod that isn't held together with gum and broken dreams.